2026 Run to the Sun Car Show, Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Let's go on a walk. If you enjoy this, like, share the video, and please subscribe. An old 1960s New York City police cruiser. It's for sale for a low price of $25,900. Huge vehicle. I don't even think their trucks are this long. For the old gumball machine light. Beautiful Galaxy. Now we're not going to hit every single car here, but try and get as much as I can. Love the side pipes on this generation, the C3. Beautiful color. Gorgeous. But '64, 19.5.
Great running. They're all beautiful.
Anyone who's interested can reach out to that contact number.
Exact color, exact top. This is for sale. You got to pay the high price, ain't it? Well, he's already listed. Drive it home today. No, if it's for sale and you want a certain amount of, no, I can't drive it home today. How much? No.
Shelby Cobra for sale.
That's got a Shelby original. Carol's got that's for a week.
I know there's an engine down there.
Call Ray at that number.
14.
Now, a lot of the cars here you'll see covered with pollen because that's this time of year down here.
I got a ham and cheese. I got roast beef. I made myself. So I know it's gonna be good. There you go. Yeah.
I got my nice fucking drink.
It's a whole Shelby corral here. There's one for sale. 45K.
Yeah. This guy's got a lady.
The thing is, common sense. That's right. You make good money. Anyway, I'm real proud of what he does. It's been almost 3 years. Because I'm still working full time, 5 kids, West Minnesota.
All right, moving on. Split window. 63. Only model year. And they made the split window. And they stopped because they realized it really caused a visibility problem. Didn't sell many. Hence the value.
Yours is way nice. I always like C2 cuts like this.
Kind of snake it this way and then come down. It's a 67 Chevy, sorry, with a big old blower on top. This one too is for sale.
Right, exactly.
Get about 3 miles a gallon to the store and back.
Strolling up, right? Yeah. And she says to him, "Oh, there you are, hon. What are you doing?" He goes, "I got 44. Really like it." Oh. I didn't know you were serious.
Plus, '71 Mach 1. $351. I don't know if it's in Cleveland or Windsor.
Yeah, those big money call over, but ain't nothing sexy about it, that's for sure.
Oh yeah.
Nice Ram Charger. $6,000. 20-foot enclosed trailer. Go.
You're good, bud.
Beautiful red. Dodge, I believe. Plymouth. No. Yep. Plymouth Satellite.
The only other one.
It's supposed to be a gorgeous day today, getting up into the high 70s. Mustang Cobra 2.
These little Mustangs seem to come with that car. Oh, don't you know that too?
Don't take that personally. He doesn't know. He said it first.
Go. Go. Go to anybody. '67 Pontiac GT. Oh! I don't know if it looks like the paint job is getting picked up pretty well with the camera. It is a beautiful paint job. License registration, please. Have you been drinking today, sir?
They had a Wilmington too.
Really nice paint job.
Well, let me tell you about it a little bit.
He's got a better shot in the interior. That goat was blocking everything. Beautiful. Malibu Super Sport.
It's a classic car.
So every year, 3 days, they have this Run to the Sun car show in South Carolina, Myrtle Beach. I believe it's the largest car show event on the whole entire East Coast. They attract people from all over. This is the earliest they've had it since I've been down here. Usually it is about early summer, and it can be brutally hot through this entire show. In the past, I've spent 4 hours here, although you can buy 3-day tickets, so you can come on each day, obviously.
Okay, now
Definitely worth the money. You can buy tickets for $20 online from the website, Run to the Sun Car Show, or you can buy them at the gate for $25. And a 3-day pass, I believe, is $35. And any time they've had this, it's never been bad weather. Might have been hot, but it never had to be canceled due to weather. Take a look at this beauty Challenger a little closer. RT. Oh, this is 346 back. 72. $440, more desirable, but still a beauty. Godzilla. What does he have under wraps here? Don't want anybody to see it. Probably hasn't returned to the car show yet. People come down here, they'll leave their cars in the lot. It'll be guarded by security and police, and they'll cover up their cars until they return. The space that they use every year down here is the location of the old Myrtle Beach Mall. It's gigantic. So they've got plenty of room for plenty of cars. No cars newer than 10 years old, I think, are allowed. Maybe it might be even earlier. So you won't see any new cars here or anything recent. Here's a big old Oldsmobile for sale for a low price of $11,000. A lot of patina. Looks like it'd be a good restoration job. It's in pretty good shape. There's an old Cougar. 73 Cougar, maybe? Let's see. Let's see if I'm right. Oh, wow, I was way off. 77. Beautiful. Now there's an older Cougar. Not the female type, but the automobile type. $70. Per shifter. Love the wheels. Oh, it's the Eliminator. Bell SS for sale. Chevy 2. 427. 575 horsepower. 1,000. You can only smell the gas like I can. It's a wonderful thing. It brings me back to the days of my childhood. Back at this beautiful Chevy. 1968. Nova.
Well, you can't. It's only good for the show.
Here we have a beautiful example of a Pontiac Firebird. A 69, I'm going to guess. 68. Gorgeous. You'll see plenty of Cobras here, as we already have. Most of them are kit cars. Still beautiful nonetheless. And what do we have here? We have a 69, 68, Shelby Cobra, S-Spec, gorgeous, GT 500.
That wheel on just put it on last week, and I've been trying to figure out what's wrong.
Did you get a Chick-fil-A?
He did. They didn't have enough.
Oh, I like the sandwich.
See, I got the interiors on this as opposed to the interior on that. 67, well, I'll be getting the Monster lights and all that.
That's all right.
Yeah,
Cool.
kind of getting the anchor. Oh, okay.
An icon of muscle cars. '68 Shelby Cobra GT 500. There we go. Having some technical difficulties here. All right. And right next to it, AGT 350. 67. Gorgeous, gorgeous. I love this stripe. Deep cherry color. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. It's beautiful. Beautiful. Resto mod. Very nice interior. This is a 66, 68. Why did it say 66? That was stupid of me. Love the Rivieras. Great styling inside and out. The older models. Ones from the 60s, early 70s. Gonna be doing that all day.
Okay, well, we just got here. It's filthy from sitting here all.
Better off having a blower.
Huh?
Better off having a blower.
They have those dusters.
Yeah, I know, I know.
Good, but
yeah, they do work.
I guess I have to look and see if they got one here. See, I hate him because he comes and he sits his fat ass right there. I'm over here polishing and cleaning, and you're
He doesn't
sitting
have
there.
to care because he's got a rat rod. It don't matter.
It don't matter. That's exactly
So
what
he's
worked
the
me out.
smart one. You need to get one of those, and then you can enjoy it.
Oh, this is a car show. You're supposed to be showing. Good day, guys.
You too. Of course, here have a ton of vendors, and also parts you can buy for many generation muscle cars. You can't find it here. I don't think it exists. Something unique.
Hello.
Sale. 18K. And you can deliver your pies with it. Yummy. Oh, here's a GTX. Big old pistol grip shifter.
Yeah, Rich. Next year we're going to plan on this whole time.
Dual
Yeah,
carb.
because
Big
we gotta
supercharger.
make sure that Terry doesn't book the flight. We'll get it
want to get up and go in this GTX. That's for sure. It's a nice 69, I think. Front rear bumpers.
With the mailbox.
Could be a 68. Oh, it's a 72, that's right. There you go. 72 was the last year for both front and rear bumpers.
Yeah.
Big old Silverado lifted. Nice white paint job. Everything done real nice. Alright. We completed one portion of this show. So I'm going to take a break and I'll be back.